Say hi. Are you camera shy today? You're just ready to get to business.
Hello.
Say, let's do our cooking.
Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Maci and Auntie and our special guest, Grammy. What's that? Today we're gonna, hey, Grandpa, what are you doing? Today we're gonna be making a gluten-free Funfetti cake for your mama's birthday.
Open it.
Open it? Okay. She just wants to get started. So let's roll. First we have to preset the oven to 350.
It's cooking with Maci time.
Grandpa, what is Grandpa doing?
For Mama.
Let's see. What do we do?
What is it doing?
I'm cutting open the the package. There we go. Can you dump this into this bucket here? In this bowl?
What ingredients do you need? Bring up get my
Good job. Get out the rest.
Dump it out. Oh, you're not ready to stir it yet. Got to dump
Not
out the
ready.
rest.
Can you dump it out?
Water, oil, and 3 eggs. Dump the eggs.
We're cooking. Maci cooking. Next we need 1/3 cup of oil. Can you hold this for me? Right over the bowl. Okay, dump it in. Good job.
A little bit more.
Oh, a little more in there.
There we go. You put that in the soup.
All right, put it in there. Good job. Water. Put it in the bowl. Whoa, good job. Okay, what's next? 3 eggs. 1. Put your hands on. Ready? This one.
Wow.
There's 1. Put your hands on. Ready? This one.
Whoa.
2.
There's another one.
Another one. One more.
There we go.
There we go. Ready? Put your hands on.
Wow.
Whoa.
3 eggs. Mix it together. Ooh, that's the fun part.
Mixer.
Mixer?
Mix it up.
So mix it together. Ready? Hold on up here.
Oh, she'll like that.
Yeah, she will.
She likes sprinkle
Let's
stuff.
see if we got it all mixed together. You want to mix? Easy turn.
Hold the bowl. Oh, that's right. Grammy forgets too that you
I
have a
forgot
lefty.
she's left-handed.
We have a lefty.
We always put
You
it
do
in the
good
right
job,
hand.
Stu.
Do
You
it, Jimmy.
stirring it? You
Stir,
stirring
stir,
it up?
stir.
Stir, stir, stir. Don't
Get
get
your
your hand
hand
in
in
it. Look, put your hand up here.
Go around circles.
Go round
Like
and
this.
round.
There you go. What's Maci doing? You stirring?
There we go. Stir, stir, stir. It looks all mixed together, right? Looks good. All right. Now the best part. You want to make a beater? Lick it. Maybe still a bite. Grandpa gonna steal a bite? That's good.
Can we get more?
Oh, that's
Will
you.
Grammy have more?
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers.
best part.
Cheese.
Better with frosting on it.
I'm not supposed to eat it.
All right. One last bite. Now put it in the sink. Okay. Now we have to spray the pan so it doesn't stick. Shake, shake, shake. You want to shake it? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Spray. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Auntie made a mess, didn't she?
I can make it
Now we're gonna put it in the pan, okay? You wanna help scoop it out? Grab the spoon. Grab the spoon. Make sure we get every last bit.
What am I making?
You're making cake for Mama. We're celebrating her birthday today. Look. Wanna lick? Yummy. All right. Now we gotta put it in the oven so we can bake. We gotta put it in for 34 minutes. Can we wait that long? I want to eat it now.
Putting it in the oven.
For Mama and me. Yay!
Look at that cake face.
Cheese. Look, who's that? Double kiss.
Sit in there.
Oh,
your
how long
cake?
does the cake gotta cook for?
Good job.
Give me.
Thank you. Now that the cake is dry. What? Dry. Now that the cake is cooled, we're going to decorate the cake.
Sit in there.
No, what is in there?
That's Mama's.
Yeah, that's Mama's cake that we made, isn't it? All right, so we're gonna decorate it, okay? Here. Then you can help me spread it, okay?
What is he doing?
Gotta get all the icing out on here so we can spread it around. Look, grab the knife. Spread it around. We're spreading it around. There we go. We're icing the cake. Spread it around. Wow. Twisting turn. Spread it all around. Mama likes lots of icing.
What color is the icing?
In a round.
Vanilla?
What color is it? What is this color?
It's Mama.
Is it white?
What's making?
It's Mama's cake.
Mama.
Let's get a little bit more.
Put it all on. We like a lot of icing.
What am I doing?
Mommy, you're icing the cake with Auntie.
What am I doing?
We're icing the cake.
Yummy.
Yummy.
It's all it takes.
Yummy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you shoved your knife in the cake, didn't you? Don't do that. You gotta go gently across the top. Whoa.
Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Is that yummy?
And put the icing with this extra knife.
Best part.
Finger on there.
Yummy.
Yeah, just keep eating all that sugar.
Yeah, your mama and dada like you to eat sugar.
What am I doing? Jimmy?
We're icing the cake. We're almost done icing, and then we'll. Don't do that. Sorry, there's like big gashes.
That's okay.
All right, let me get the rest off.
It was made with love.
Where's the frosting out of it?
Now we got to put the sprinkles on.
This
of icing off the hand.
Yeah.
What is that?
This is sprinkles.
The message.
Now you gently. I'm gonna put these ones on there. Feel like that would happen?
Didn't really come out that fast.
These are more sprinkles. Can you shake them on with me? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Mama.
Shake, shake, shake. It is for Mama, isn't it?
This is for Dada.
And Dada.
Dada's turn.
That's Grandpa.
You want to put these on? Okay. Shake it on.
That's gonna be the most beautiful thing ever.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Woo! Now you try. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, that is so beautiful.
Isn't it?
What is that? How about that one?
How about this one? All right. Let's put
Ooh,
some
that
on.
doesn't have a...
Yeah, let Auntie help you.
Ready?
Hold your finger over the end
Gently.
that's far away.
Wow.
What am I doing, Mama?
You're doing such a good
Look, isn't it pretty?
This is for Dada.
This is for Mama. Mama's birthday.
And Grandpa.
Mustache.
This is for Dada. For Dada.
Do you think it's all done? You think it looks good? Looks good. Leave it just like that.
It's a bag.
Mmm, yummy. Can I have a
Mama,
piece?
take a bite. Mama, take a bite.
Yummy. Granny, take a bite. Yummy.
Yummy.
Good job. Yummy.
Can Auntie have a frosting kiss? Thank
Tastes
you.
like me. Just give me the frosting.
Okay, one more. Now we gotta wait until after dinner.
Yeah.
So we can sing happy birthday.
Yeah.
All these frozen ones.
Oh, look at those are pretty. Auntie
We
probably
should,
wants one.
we should put
too.
some of those on your Mama's cake. Let's
Ooh,
put some
okay.
on. Put them on here. Look. Yeah, there we go. Now Mama's got a frozen cake.
There's my
Ella.
birthday cake.
What's Ella? What's the other one?
Bring your own cupcake.
Best
Birthday,
cake
birthday.
ever.
This
I'm ready to eat
Asha.
that thing too.
I should put the Asha on it.
Good job.
Good.
All right, let's cover it up so it can dry.
For dry.
Yeah.
Let it simmer like
It's gonna
lasagna.
simmer, okay?
Put your done.
It's all done.
All right.
Put your red tea.
Thank you.
Here.
Look how cute it is. Yeah! Thank you for helping me. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Bye. Say bye.